So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to design my training program for my half marathon in December, which is in 2 months. Here we go. It looks manageable, so yeah, let's stick to the plan and start training. Anyway, I haven't been training for a while now, for like 3 or 4 months because of my injury, but you know, it's only 2 months, and yeah, really want to end the year on a good note, so I'm gonna push for a sub 2 half marathon. So let's go. What the hell, guys? Almost died running a 5 km. Yeah, it's been a while and I'm back.
Got one or you there complaining?
In Chinatown.
Please
then they
open.
branch out.
Day 2 of the half marathon training. Let's go. Day 2, training done. Whew. That was tough, man. It's the heat. Alright guys, something came in the mail today. It's some of my running stuff. I actually can't believe I spent almost $1,000 on these. Whew. Alright. Not gonna be doing all these unboxing stuff because I'm terrible at it. So yeah, you guys will be seeing me wearing this, but yeah. Wow. I don't know what to say because yeah, I'm not the kind of guy who would spend like this amount of money on clothing, but here I am. But yeah, let's enjoy it.
Today we have 1,000
Training for the half marathon. Week 2. So far so good. I just finished a easy run, 6 km. Yeah. Tough. Another day at the brewery. What's up, Drip Man? How's his drip? Nah, no drip today.
Today, you know, today is just a normal day.
Taking a break. Taking a break from drip.
Yeah, taking a break from drip. It's the most normal drip. See?
If I can't be with you, I'd rather be by myself. No, I can't lie, I don't want it.
Right, track workout day. I think this whole vlog is gonna be about half marathon training because I haven't really do anything much or record anything in this vlog, so yeah, my work is pretty boring, so yeah, this is the fun stuff. Oh man, that was a terrible workout. I didn't hit any of my timing. I'm supposed to hit 6 but every 2 km I'm running at like 8 minutes or 9 minutes and I vomited twice. Wow, crazy. Inglawa. Let's go! That was tough, man. I've never felt anything like that before. Yeah, never really trained until I vomited. But yeah, 3 months of not training. Crazy. So one of the most important thing when you are training for these kind of marathon, half marathon, is diet. And for myself, I've hired a very special chef for myself to cook for me, and I would like to introduce you guys with my chef. Hi, chef. Chef. I'm kidding, guys. BY 我 intro 嘅 outro 已經完。
First thing is change of
Anyway, I'm inside a woman's dress shop. Going to be taking over this unit as of next month to open our logistic office. So yeah, a lot of renovation to be done. We're gonna only take half of it, so there's gonna be a wall up here, and yeah, all the other renovation, which I'll probably update you guys in the vlogs. Alright, new Burmese restaurant. Let's go. Finish. The real villager. You brought me here. Maide. Caught in 4K. Please be careful in Spargo.
Bro, roll. Boleh dia pak meja lah. Please give me, okay?
What do we have for dinner? 2 steak, potatoes. Let's go. Alright, good to go. Super tired. It's been a long day. I've been up since 7 a.m. But yeah, gotta stick to the training plan. Gotta keep running. So let's go. Another 5 km. That was a good run. Enjoyed it. Yeah, more training tomorrow. And yeah, gonna take a quick shower. And I've still have a lot of work to do. So yeah, back to work, I guess. So there's a unit moving out, and I'm getting their tables and their chairs for free. And I might even take some TVs. So there we go.